Although I probably didn't say this from the beginning, but this video just show you how to send your pegged XRP and pegged Dogecoin to Binance account without losing your coin like most person have done already. All right. So that's what this video is detailed enough. It teaches you how to just do that without losing sight, without losing your coin at all. So it's detailed enough to take you all through all those things. So let's see in the video. Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. All right. So for some time now we've been talking about Binance Smart Chain. So many persons have issues sending coins through Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and they lose all their coins and they don't know how to sell, especially when it comes in the form of peg. When it doesn't come like the way the coin is. For example, let's say you have Ripple, that's XRP Ripple, and then it comes in form of peg. Most persons have it there and they don't know how to say it, they don't know how to use it, or they have issue on how to use it. All right, if you have such issue, please do well to send me an email to contact me. Okay, I have a system that will help you out in that, but this video should be detailed enough to help you out. All right, to help you out to sort all this issue out. So now I'm going to show you how to transfer um your Doge coin on Binance Smart Chain and to your XRP, I mean to your Binance account into normal Doge. All right. From your Binance account, you can send any coin on any address on any network, whether you want to send it to a ERC address, that's Ethereum network, or you want to send it to a Binance Smart Chain network. So from Binance, you can literally send any coin on any network. All right. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you here. You already have a Doge peg, all right, a Doge coin, and you have it as a peg on your Trust wallet. So I'm going to show you how to convert into normal Doge, and you can as well, sell it, into USDT as well. You can as well convert it to USDT. It's just as simple as ABC. So just watch out for the video. And the next thing we're going to do right now is we're going to talk about what is smart chain, so that you better understand what smart chain is and why smart chain existed and the when it began. All right, so let's just dive right into the video.
What is Binance Smart Chain? Binance Smart Chain, that's BSC, is a smart chain contract enabled parallel blockchain to Binance Chain that provides a permissionless platform for decentralized application, that's dApps. While Binance Chain offers a high throughput targeting active crypto trades, it lacks in the programmability department. Binance Smart Chain exists to change that. Binance launched Smart Chain to provide a high-speed, low-cost alternative for the burgeoning decentralized finance, that's DeFi market, which has suffered from Ethereum high transaction fees. Launched in September 2020, Binance Smart Chain boasts a 5-second block time, cross-chain asset transfer, EVM compatibility, and a proof-of-stake authority consensus protocol to ensure scalability. The BEP20 token standard Binance Smart Chain has a BEP20 token standard that functions similarly to Ethereum ERC20 standard. BEP20 is a developer-friendly token standard that allows anyone to deploy fungible digital currency or token on Binance Smart Chain. Now, what's more, leading digital assets on other chains can be ported onto Binance Smart Chain in the form of a pegged BEP20 tokens. For example, you could use Binance Bridge to swap Bitcoin BTC for BTCB, that's BEP20 tokens backed by BTC. BTCB, that's BEP20 tokens can.
So this is how we begin. So if by now you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell button so that whenever I upload video, you'll be the first to see and be the first to get the knowledge and be able to utilize it well enough for your own benefit. All right, so now first of all, I want to start by let me go to my Binance. All right, this is my Binance account. This account, you can see the balance that's here. This is I have some few coins here. All right, just some few coins. All right, so now first of all, I click on deposit here. You go to spot and click on deposit. For you, you might not have all this on your dashboard, so what you just have to do, let's say that we are starting with XRP. You search XRP, that's Ripple. Click on Ripple. Now when you click on Ripple, you okay that, and then you have Ripple, which has a tag. All right, so you might not really be interested in this one because we are talking about Binance Smart Chain. We have BEP2, and then you are not interested in that because that has a memo too. All right, then we have BEP20 BSC, that's Binance Smart Chain. All right, so you copy this address. Now go to your Trust Wallet. Go to your Trust Wallet. Like, I'm already on my Trust Wallet right here. Then I click send. When I click send, I paste in the address and then I click max. All right, that means all the Ripple. By now, be sure that you have enough BNB within your wallet, like at least a small portion of BNB, at least $1 of BNB to send. All right, then click on send. And when you click on send, you will see, all right, this is the total that will be sent, and then click on send. Now immediately that transaction will go through. Now while we wait for that to go through, we'll go back here and now let's do the same for Doge. Click on Doge. Now and click on Doge, go all the way to BEP20, that's BSC on BSC network, that's BEP20. This is what I'm talking about. That doesn't need a memo. Copy the address. I just copied that. Then the next thing is you're going to, so click on the Doge, click on send. All right, place in the address, and how much am I sending? I'm sending maximum, that's all of it. And then click on I think I had some, let me say, click on send and then send. Now that too has been sent. Look at what I did all this transaction with a minimum of 0.17 BNB. All right, so you should have enough BNB to conduct all this transaction. So let us go into our Binance and see if some of this transaction has been successful or not, to see if it reflects or not. Now I have to refresh my page, refresh again. You can see what was there is what is still there. So now most times when you refresh like that, okay, you can see Binance is notifying me you have successfully deposited 29x Ripple. All right, so now I've successfully deposited. Let me refresh now so that you see it. Okay, all right, so now let's see which has been reflected. Doge is yet to reflect, but X Ripple has reflected already. So while we are waiting for Doge, to reflect. So now in most cases you can click on this little button right here that look like time frame here. That's this button right here. Now when you click on that button, click on this. Now you can see that the Doge is almost in, waiting for the confirmation to be completed. So if you just do it as simple as this, same thing applies to other coins. So you can see here we have about 20% confirmation already received. So let's keep refreshing. You can see all the coins are already in. The coins that we just sent now are already in. All right, so now most persons are wondering, okay, how do I withdraw these coins to my bank account in Nigeria? So in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw these coins to your bank account. All right, or I'll make it the next video. I'll push that to the next video, so watch out for part 2 of this video. This is just how to withdraw your coin, your X Ripple and your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to your Binance account. So see you in the next video on how to withdraw this to your bank account, in your local bank account, either in Nigeria or in whatever country that you reside in. So see you in the next video.